Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to go into marriage law and children law together, where we are going to be discussing about domestic violence. When you hear about domestic violence, it's a sensitive topic where people think it only means physical assault. Somebody physically abuses you or assaults you, that becomes domestic violence. That is not only domestic violence, there is also psychological torture, emotional manipulation, or even damage of property. Somebody might even get your certificates and tries to destroy them. This is part of domestic violence. So the Protection Against Domestic Violence Act gives a broader definition on domestic violence. So you might ask yourself, if I have gotten or I'm a victim of domestic violence, how can I protect myself from this aggressor? So this is where the court have come and gotten something called a protection order or a restraining order, where you go to the court and ask for the court to protect you from someone who is an aggressor. So who can apply? Domestic violence does not mean between husband and wife or legally married people only. You might be dating, you might be boyfriend and girlfriend, you might be engaged, you might be a wife, or you might be even a child. So when you're going to apply for an order, protection order from court, even a child can go through a children officer, a guardian, or somebody who is responsible for this child to be able to protect them from domestic violence. So how do you approach court? You can go to a magistrate's court or a children's court in the event it is a child. So you do an application before court stating why you believe domestic violence is being occasioned against you with favorable evidence, and you say, I want this person to stay away from me. So the court will give you interim orders. These are orders that say, kindly, this person should not come near you. And also, if this person has a right to respond, you will serve him with the application, and the person will be able to have an opportunity also in court to explain why he believes he has not occasioned domestic violence against you. That is in the hearing. So, what are the consequences of somebody breaking this protection order? The consequences are simple. A person can be arrested without a warrant because of disobeying court orders. That means you're in contempt of court orders. You're not following court orders, and you can be arrested. You can be given a fine, or both. You can be fined and also be taken to prison because you have defied a court order. So when domestic violence is occasioned upon you, know that you can rush to court and get a protection order which will prevent this person from ever coming near you. And if they come near you, you can be able, the law can protect you and it can act because they have violated a court order. I hope this helps. And if you have questions, make a comment. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching on YouTube, and also like the video, whatever platform you're watching it from. Until next time, my friends, stay safe and God bless.